If Photopea is showing an update error, freezing, or not loading properly, don't worry, this usually happens because of cached files, browser issues, or a connection problem, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. By the end, you'll know how to refresh Photopea properly, test whether extensions are causing the issue, clear site data, and check your connection so you can get back to editing without wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, we're going to do a hard refresh. This is one of the simplest and most effective fixes because it forces your browser to bypass old cache script data and reload the latest version of Photopea. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. If you're on a Mac, press CMD, Shift, and R. After you do that, give the page a moment to reload fully and see if the update error disappears. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem because Photopea depends on loading updated scripts and assets correctly. If the error is still there, the next step is to open Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. This is important because private mode usually disables many extensions and starts with a cleaner browser session. Sometimes ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or even certain browser extensions can break how Photopea loads. So open a new incognito window, go back to Photopea, and test it again. If Photopea works fine in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is being caused by a browser extension or a setting in your normal browsing profile. If that happens, you can try turning off extensions one by one in your regular browser until you find the one causing the conflict. Ad blockers are often the biggest culprit, but other extensions can interfere too. Once you identify the problem extension, you can either disable it for Photopea or keep it turned off whenever you use the app. Now let's move on to clearing site data. This step is very useful when Photopea keeps loading old files, getting stuck, or showing the same error again and again. To do this, click the Site Settings icon next to the URL in your browser. From there, find the option to clear cookies and site data for Photopea. Once you clear that data, reload the page and let Photopea start fresh. This removes stored site information that may be causing the update issue, and it often resolves stubborn loading problems that a normal refresh cannot fix. After that, we need to check your connection. Photopea relies on remote assets and server updates, so if your network is being filtered or interrupted, the app may not load correctly. Turn off any active VPNs or proxy services you may be using, then reload Photopea again. Sometimes VPNs can slow down connections, block certain resources, or make the application think something is wrong with the update process. If you're on a work or school network, that can also introduce restrictions that affect loading. If possible, try a different network as a test, such as a mobile hotspot, to see whether the issue is related to your internet connection. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the Photopea update error. Start with the hard refresh, then try incognito mode, then clear site data, and finally check your VPN or proxy settings. That order is useful because it moves from the quickest fix to the deeper browser and network-related fixes. Most users will get Photopea working again before reaching the last step. If Photopea still has problems after all of that, give the browser a full restart and try again. Sometimes a fresh session is all it needs. And if you want, you can also try another updated browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox just to rule out a browser-specific issue. I hope this helped you fix the Photopea update error quickly and safely. If it did, please hit like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and lets me know to make more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.